My role as the hospitality sector advisor is to make connections between industry and resources and education. With the current workforce challenges that we're having, they need someone to break down those barriers and find some solutions and create networks.
SPI is an acronym for Sector Partnership Initiative. My job is to bring up 5 industry sectors across the state of New Hampshire. And those sectors are construction, healthcare, hospitality, manufacturing, and technology.
So there are a number of initiatives going on statewide that are intended to address the workforce challenges, but I was finding that none of them were really communicating with each other. Through this initiative, SPI has been able to really serve as a conduit between industry and education, and our connection to industry has allowed us to convene a number of very prominent tech professionals to talk about the existing CTE curriculum and make recommendations for what CTE technology programs should look like moving forward.
So industries can get involved with SPI by letting them see what their work environment is like, do some projects, do some on-the-job training, but really expressing an interest in increasing their funnel of applicants, knowing that these people are going to turn into full-time employees because they want to be in this sector.
Bringing multiple partners together in the healthcare sector has been tremendously valuable in affecting real change, and the presence of legislators at our table has really helped us to move forward in a number of ways.
Directly through our involvement with the Sector Partnership Initiative, we were connected with Hitchner Manufacturing, and we were able to train 27 young men for careers in manufacturing, and about half of them remain at Hitchner today.
The industry has put an ask out to show that there are career opportunities that are beyond just swinging a hammer or digging in the dirt. It's about the opportunity to make a really good living, being able to develop that, and one day have the opportunity to be senior management or CEO.
When you're a small business, you don't have a big training budget like you might in a larger company. So having access to a training grant that paid for anywhere from 50 or 80 or 90% of the cost of the training was a really big deal and helped us kind of make that a priority and make it happen.
Individuals and companies that are interested in getting involved with the technology sector under SPI can visit nhsectorpartners.org.